Hey everyone, welcome back to It Kinda Works. Today I got a really quick video for you. This is really just showing off my evening's project here because for once I think it actually looks pretty good and it's pretty clean. So basically what this is, well, it's pretty obvious. It's a Arduino ESP8266 controlled lamp. But the really cool thing is that we basically only have two little boards here. We have a voltage regulator that takes the incoming AC and drops it down to 5 volts. And that 5 volts goes onto this cool little board, which I plan on doing a video about this more in depth in the future. But basically this is a little LC Tech relay board, serial relay board. So that's kind of weird, but basically the ESP sends serial commands to a chip underneath. And that chip is what actually controls the relay here. So, and this also has some onboard regulation and some of that cool stuff. So it's really just a very simple little build, and I thought it was pretty cool. It's got a little enclosure here so we can just sort of snap it all shut, and then it's this really neat little thing that can just sit on the ground. And because it's an ESP, obviously it's connected to the network. So I have my phone here, and I can turn this light on and off directly from my phone. So anyway, guys, just a really quick video, something kind of cool that I just built this evening because I had nothing else to do. And I thought you guys would like to see it. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and get subscribed down below. And if you have any questions, definitely go and check out itkindaworks.com/forum. And if you want to see some really cool behind the scenes content, or you just want to help the channel out today, go to patreon.com/itkindaworks. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you all later.